Need to report rental income, royalties, or income from estates and trusts on Form 1040 Schedule E? This is the supplemental income and loss form the IRS requires for that type of income. And with pdfFiller, you can complete it online in minutes without printing or scanning. At the top, type your name and social security number exactly as they appear on your main Form 1040. Schedule E attaches to that main return. Quick note: Schedule E is different from Form 1040 Schedule SE, which is used to calculate self-employment tax. In Part 1, Income or Loss from Rental Real Estate and Royalties, list each rental property or royalty in its own column. Type the property address and property type, for example, single-family residence or vacation home. On line 3, enter your total rental income for the year. On line 4, add any royalty income. Next, work down lines 5 through 19 to enter expenses. Things like advertising, auto and travel, cleaning and maintenance, insurance, legal and professional fees, management fees, mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities, repairs, supplies, depreciation. All of these can be typed directly into the pdfFiller fields so the form stays clean and legible. pdfFiller's tab navigation lets you jump through each field quickly, ensuring nothing gets missed and all the necessary fields are completed. In Part 2, enter amounts from any Schedule K ones you received from partnerships or S corporations. In Part 3, enter K1 amounts from estates and trusts. Part 4 is for more advanced investors with REMIC residual interests. Finally, Part 5 summarizes all sections. This total flows back to your Form 1040 as supplemental income or loss. When you're done, click Done to save your Schedule E in secure cloud storage. You can download, print, or share it with your tax preparer and keep a copy ready to file with the IRS. Remember, this walkthrough is educational only. For personal tax advice, always talk to a tax professional and check the latest IRS instructions. To complete Schedule E form online, along with other forms like Form 1040 or Schedule SE, start your pdfFiller free trial today. Finish your tax forms faster, store them securely, and keep everything neat and professional without ever touching a printer.